Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover TikTok account without email or phone number. If you are trying to log into your TikTok account, but you don't remember your password and you also don't have an access to your email or phone number, then here's how to recover your account. From the login or sign up page of TikTok app, tap on the question mark icon at the top right. Under Report a Problem, tap on Other at the bottom. Now, tap on Need More Help. You'll be taken to this page from where you can contact TikTok support. Go ahead and type in whatever the problem is going on with your account. After you are done filling in the details about the problem of your account, also be ready to provide any kind of a proof. Now also make sure to enter your TikTok username and enter the email that you have an access to so that TikTok can contact you on that email. After you are done, you can also provide any documents that verifies your identity by tapping on either the image icon and select an image from your library, or you can also post a video that will verify your identity. After you are done, tap on the submit button and your request will be sent successfully. Wait for the TikTok support to reply to your email and you might be able to resolve your issue. That is how you can easily recover your TikTok account without email or phone number. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.